Okay, take two for safety. So we're going to address the hazards of a confined space. The first one is possibility of lack of oxygen. The next thing is toxic gases. That's our H2S, CO, and other harmful gases. Flammable atmospheres. We have to make sure that we have a risk of maybe a fire or explosion. Engulfment, basically a risk of someone being trapped by sand, water, or chemicals. And then electrical and mechanical hazards. So what we've done is we've purchased 8 of the MSA 4-gas monitors. And we've trained our employees on how to use them, but also we have a pump. So this is called the MSA Airlift 4XR and the Altar Pump Probe. What we've done is we've set up our perimeters. So this monitor here, for oxygen, it will be basically the ideal levels to work in is 20.9%. So we've set the perimeters up of high at 23% and low at 19.5%. For carbon monoxide, we went for 25 parts per million low and 100 parts per million high. Hydrogen sulfide, we went with 10 parts per million low and 15 parts per million high. Combustible gases, or LAL, is called the lower exposure limit or level. We have that set up 10 low and 20 high. If you want to learn more about these setups, you can then just go to msasafety.com. So how do we actually use this? So we have it on. We've bumped it. Basically, we bump it each time we use it. We calibrate it 1 to 2 times a year. I like to do it quarterly. And then we actually have a brand new pump. So this time, then we would then go over and we would take a sample of the top of the confined space, and then around about 2 feet below, then about 4 feet, and then 6 feet, and this is an 8-foot vault. So we go all the way down to 8 feet. We have to use basically a hose with a filter on it when we go that far down. But if you have any questions about how to use this, reach out to safety. Be well.